Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize watch faces and add widgets on your Apple Watch SE 3. To customize an existing watch face of your device, you have to hold your finger down on it for a couple of seconds until you see these options on the screen. Here, tap Edit, and now you can switch the elements that you want to customize by swiping the screen to either right or left. And now to change the style of each element, you have to scroll with the digital crown until you find the option that suits you the most, and then you can do this for each element, like color, style, and numerals. And once you're happy with the result, just press the digital crown once to apply changes, and then your device's watch face will change. But you can also customize a new watch face that you don't currently even have on your Apple Watch by swiping your display to the right. Once you open the watch face customization menu, tap the plus icon and then select the watch face type that you want to add to your device. For example, let's go to new watch faces and select, let's select this flow watch face by tapping add next to it, and now we can customize it just in a very similar way by switching the elements that you want to change and changing them with the digital crown. So the typeface, the background, I'd rather it was colorful. Okay, and also let's switch the color to maybe this one. Okay, and then just press the digital crown and then press the digital crown once again, and your watch face will be changed and already customized. Okay, and now how to customize widgets. Swipe your device's screen to the top to open the list of widgets. Now, in order to customize them, you have to tap the Edit button that is located at the very bottom of the list of widgets. Now, you can add a new widget by tapping the plus icon right here. You can remove an old one by tapping this right circle icon, and you can pin a widget with a pin icon in the top right corner of the widget. You can, for some widgets, you can customize them by removing elements from them, like for example this messages icon. I don't need messages, for example, so I'll just remove it by tapping on it, and then tap the plus icon to add a new element instead of messages, for example this one. And then this way you will customize this widget. And at the bottom of the list you have the widget suggestions, and you can also change them by scrolling to the very bottom of the menu and selecting widget suggestions. And in order to disable them so that you don't see them on your device's widgets list, switch this toggle to the left, and if you enable them, you will also be able to enable or disable smart stack hints. And also, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the list of apps that have widgets, and you see that all of these applications are allowed to show their widgets through the widget suggestions. And if you want some specific application to not show any widgets on your Apple Watch's screen, you just have to tap on such application and switch this toggle to the left, and this will disable widget suggestions for this specific application. Now let me show you what I mentioned before, how to add a new widget. So at the very top you see this plus icon. If you tap on it, you can either select some featured widget to add to your widgets list, and if you scroll down you'll be able to see the list of apps that have widgets from which you can add widgets to your Apple Watch. So just select the app you want to add the widgets from, and then select the kind of widget that you want to add by tapping on it, and then it will be displayed on your widgets list. To apply changes, tap the OK icon in the top left corner of the screen, and this way you can customize your widgets and your watch face on Apple Watch SE 3. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.